Hey guys, it's Tom from SpinTube. Welcome back to the channel. This video has been 2 years in the making. Lots of R&D, lots of measuring. This all started about 3 years ago. I focused completely on my engine bay, getting the power up, making it fast, and by the time I got ready to sort the handling out, someone had bought up all of the VW stock and then marked them up and sold them all, and then there were none left, and I was just like, oh god, what am I going to do? Couldn't get hold of one anywhere. It was just ridiculous. Every time a rear anti-roll bar came up, gone straight away. Another one, gone. There was once 6 minutes till I got tagged. The bar had already sold. Next thing you know, they're like £400 or £500. So I took all the measurements, started just basically knocking up a CAD using the original mounting points on the T4. We ended up doing 4 prototypes, and I've actually got the 4th one here with me. And this is one I've been running now for 15 months. Brilliant bit of kit, makes a huge difference to the handling. And you know, I've tested it against the standard. They're both exactly the same in terms of handling, which is absolutely spot on. So let me show you. And there you go, guys. There is the new T4 28mm rear anti-roll bar. That is awesome. Absolutely love that. The finish is great. Really happy with it. Let's stick the bushes on and lay it up on the floor. 2 years of hard work, testing, fitting, taking apart, remeasuring, getting everything spot on. That looks absolutely epic. The problem was I couldn't get hold of one for 2 years. There's the solution. Price on these, £250 delivered. I'll put my email address in the description, so you can drop me an email if you do want one. This is a long awaited video for me, and I'm really excited to do it because the T4, with all the power, it's going absolutely brilliantly. You know, the performance is unreal, and I can't wait to take some of you out in it so you can see what it's like. But this is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for this video for a long time, and this is really the dream setup that I've wanted now for about 2 years. I've got gas adjustable shocks. They were ordered from Decimal Temps, and they did me a great deal on those, so give those guys a shout if you want to get some on order. I've got a rear 28mm roll bar with the PowerFlex 28mm rear bushes. Got all the brackets and everything to go on. I've got a front 27mm anti-roll bar with the PowerFlex Black Series bushes as well. We've got the grey torsion bars for the side just to stiffen up the front rebound and suspension. They're basically your front springs on a T4, because for anyone who doesn't know, on a T4 you don't actually have springs, you just have this torsion bar here. So it's adjusted through these bits here, and you can obviously wind these down, which will lower the van. This is hopefully going to really stiffen up the suspension. It's been a bit of a death trap for a little while now. With 560 horsepower, it gets up to speed really quick, and over, you know, into 3 figures, it's very wobbly. It doesn't feel very safe. So I've been waiting to do this for a long time, and because of the fact that it's going to be going lower, I've also got these Scarface lowriders, shortened drop links on a 27mm anti-roll bar. You've actually got a bolt through system here with an M10 bolt. As opposed to the standard rubber bushings here, which just slide over on all of the other versions. Got my bracket here. This is going to go on the T4. It's really easy. If you don't have these brackets on already, you can get them ordered. They're pretty cheap. All you've got to do is drill the holes through here, 9mm, get that on there with the riv nuts, which are here. I'll put all the part numbers up for you in a second so you can see what you need. And I'm going to get them bolted on. I can't wait. It's going to be amazing to have a stiffer suspension. It's going to be amazing to have the thing handling a lot stiffer, because there's been a couple of, let's just say there's been a couple of times where things have got a bit sideways. There's been a couple of times where things have got a bit sideways on icy roads and muddy roads. My close friends have seen the video. It's definitely not one for YouTube, put it that way. So yeah, I'm going to crack on now, drill the holes, get it on, and I'm currently down at Arc Engineering, and I've got Si here to give me a hand. Perfect. That's all the holes drilled. There's the longer VW riv nuts, and they go up in there like so. Now we use a gun to pull them in and get the brackets on. Easy. It's probably the easiest mod to do on a T4. It gives instant results, I think, the rear anti-roll bar. Okay, so we start drilling these holes now. There's just a couple more to go in there. And this one here is an M8 riv nut that goes in the rear arm there. Pop that in. Alright guys, that's the first one on. Now onto the other side. Such a quick and easy job, this.
Just now talking up the first bolt.
Battery's gone flat.
Battery's gone. Oh,
well, you know how much talk's on that now.
The reality of YouTube, eh? I'll get a little wax all over here now, I reckon. Bushes come with this lube, so as you go along, it just helps to put a little bit on the bar to make it slide better. Beautiful. Next one. There we go, rear anti-roll bar is now on.